Alright, YouTube, hey, what's going on? This is just a talking head video today, just a little motivation, I guess. I put in my 2 weeks today and basically, was humbled right away about, the next day I couldn't get into the training class and all that good stuff, and that's fine. Sometimes you move on, and so I quit the company I was working at and, on to Hoosierman now, full time. Put my focus here and just try my best more than anything. I had a business before, it failed, but I learned from my failures, and the biggest part of that failure was I was trying to do everything on my own, and I figured out real quick that you can't do that. You can't do that. You need people. You need other people to help guide you and motivate you when you're not all the way feeling motivated. So more than anything, it's just about, staying at it more than anything. And my purpose is to help other people, and I'm just going to do it in the HVAC way, and any other way I can. It doesn't mean helping people doesn't mean getting taken advantage of. It means helping people that are helping themselves. So more than anything, it's just about taking that leap. Sometimes you just got to take that leap. If you got a support system that'll back you up, that'll help you out, that'll help motivate you, that'll help you focus, that'll help you do all the things that you may not be good at. If you got a support system like that, I say if you're an entrepreneur or if you even have a bug or you want to try something, do it. Because the only person stopping you is you. I had to really get over my fears and let a lot of stuff go. And more than anything, that's what it was all about. Just letting it go and doing this new journey. So we're just going to continue on this journey, and I'm going to just take you guys with me and through it all, and we'll try to make it to the other side. I feel like we already on the other side. We ain't gotta push no farther than that, because once you get to the other side, you really realize what you've been missing in your life. So more than anything, this ain't a sad video. This is actually a good video. Shoot, I'm proud of myself. More than anything, I'm proud of my team around me. I'm proud of my support system. I'm thankful for my support system. Yeah. So tomorrow I might do a little short video about, we're going to be passing out flyers and postcards and door hangers and all the above. Just try to get more customers, try to see who we can help. But that's all I got for you guys. Please like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, bell button, all that good stuff. And catch you on the other.